Hello viewers, and welcome back to the channel. This video is a response to a message I got from a viewer who had already started trading with the AI trading strategy bot and was asking a question how they can stop and then withdraw their assets from a trading strategy. Now this is going to be a quick video, so the first thing to do is go to the platform. Like I said, you can access this directly from your browser, Trust Wallet, MetaMask, or any other wallet provider platform or browser that you can use. So once you are in here, make sure that you are synced in, that your wallet is already connected. Make sure that is satisfied already. Then the next thing to do would be to go to the menu. This is if you are using your mobile device. You go to menu, but on the desktop, just look at the top, you will see it, and click on market. Now once you get to market, you will have to click on the AI trading strategy, and once you are there, you then click on your my bots. Now as you can see, I have this was the bot I did in my previous video the other time. Now I have this running, those both bots running. This is not producing any profit yet, and this I am getting some profit on. So I am going to show you how I stop my deployed trading strategies and how to withdraw the assets from the bot. So the first thing to do is very obvious, just to click on this stop sign. That's the box you're seeing at the bottom of each bot here. On the desktop, is I think located on the right hand side of the screen. Just click on the box. Once you click on it, it's going to pop up this disclaimer modal for you, asking you to letting you know what you're about to do. So once you agree with this, you check that I understand box and then click on stop strategy. Now give this a few seconds. As you can see, that bot is stopped already, but this is not cashed out yet. If you come out to wallet, you'll see what my balance is currently. I currently have $3,500 dollar worth of assets. I have some in BNB, and then I have some in Bill token. Now the next thing I'll do is to come back to the markets, click on the AI trading bot. Once I click on the AI trading bot, I can scroll down, click on my bots, come down to the stopped bots, and then I'll click on this fiat logo, the money logo. Click on it. It's also going to give some disclaimer saying withdrawing asset will permanently stop the strategy and return all allocated capital and profit to the wallet. This action cannot be undone, just like a pre-warning letting you know. And once you do this, you cannot start the bot again. You have to create a new bot and deploy it from scratch. So once I've seen this, the next thing to do is to click on confirm. I started this trade with $1,500 and I'm getting out 1,786. So I click on the confirm. This is a successful one. Allow it to process. Now as you can see, I've successfully claimed this token. Now I can come back to the wallet. And as you can see, that balance has been updated here. I now have the entire 1,700 sent back into my account, and this is why I'm having this value. So guys, I hope this has been helpful. I hope this was also easy. This is a simple way to stop a trading strategy and then withdraw your asset back into your wallet. So guys, if this video has been helpful, please do not forget to subscribe, click on the like icon, also comment if you have anything to say. I would also be on the comment section, and I'll always reply to any questions you have. Until next time, stay safe.